How everybody doing today? What I got for you is just a quick vlog. You know, it's morning time. It's about 8:15 in the morning. I'm currently at a stop getting loaded or waiting to get loaded, be more accurate. Peanut place. So obviously picking up peanuts, take to NIT. Hopefully by the time I leave here, get some gas and drop this off, dispatch will give me something for tomorrow. But things have, they've been slow. Um, Quick thing today, two things actually. This is the first day that this year, probably in like last 6, 7 months, that I've actually had to sweep out a container. They asked me to sweep it out, so I did, and that has to be like the third time at best, like the third, maybe even fourth time within the last 2 years that I've had to actually sweep out a container. So definitely rare. So, but yeah. Second thing is, man, these Hondas. I got a Hyundai on my back, and apparently these things are high in demand because there weren't any at PCY or PPCY. There wasn't any at NIT yesterday, so I just had to wait until one came in, which was about an hour. Like I was saying before, man, going back talking about how slow it's been. Like, it's basically been slow since January, and it's for the most part it's always been like that. I have the same issue every year. It's slow. It's wintertime, and then you have the Chinese holiday around this time as well. So there's no getting around it. Especially what this is probably the third year in a row that's happened for me. So yeah, just can't do anything about it. I ain't talking about this, but last week I had some problems where I had 4 runs last week, and I was late to every single one of them because of a coolant issue that I've been having with the truck. Def header was leaking. Also had another leak, but I ended up fixing the def header last week. So I don't know when I'm actually upload that repair, but it'll be out at some point. So with basically all those things, man, I wanted to keep this short and sweet. Like I said, it's already at 3 minutes, and let me go ahead and end this up with let me know how y'all runs have been going. Have y'all runs slowed down the last couple of months, or have y'all still been getting pretty consistent work? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll be back with another video pretty soon.